You will learn different ways to prompt in Microsoft Copilot, which comes pre-installed on every Windows 11 PC. Let's just get right into it. By default, Copilot is pinned at this taskbar area of every Windows 11 PC. Okay? If you can't find yours here, okay, in this taskbar, just click on this start, click here, and search for Copilot. Okay? It will show up as one of the results. Click on it. Once it opens, you'll find yourself on a page that looks like this. Now let's prompt. There are different ways you can prompt, but let's start with one. So I will ask it the top 5 news in the world today. So I have it here, top 5 trending news on the internet today. Okay, so once you have your prompt, you take a look at this place. The model, the AI model here is smart, but there are different other models you can choose. So if we click here, you will see think deeper. Okay, that is within 30 seconds it gives you the result. It's a better for more complex topics. So if you're handling complex topic, please pick this option. Then Smart GPT 5.1. It is a new model. Okay, in time to come, I believe Microsoft will add more models. And this one says thinks quickly or deeply based on the task. And that is what I'll be using here. Then this study and earn is new. It is guided learning instead of answers. Maybe you want to learn something in detail, you choose this option. So what you're going to choose is depends on the prompt you give to it. And you have deep research, good for research work, 10 minutes. All right. And this is search. Answers with enhanced references. So if you want something that gives you answer with references, you go with this one. This one is deep research. It researches the topic and also gives you references. But let me go with my smart. So I've selected smart, and the next step is to click on this search or press the enter key of your computer keyboard. So here we are. It has come up with top 5 trending news stories today. And look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. So it gives you the trending story and summarizes it with sources. Okay, just like this and just like this. So what is giving you these sources is for you to go on and confirm if you want to see it on a particular website. So this is the first way to prompt. Let's go and prompt again in a second way. So in the second prompt, we want it to generate image for us. So for you to start a new conversation, click on this plus sign and select new conversation. It doesn't mean you cannot continue from here, but I want it to be in a new conversation. So now let me ask it to generate something that is image form. Okay, so here I have my prompt. I say a young American lady dressed in beautiful suit heading to an office to start her job for the week. Okay, it can be anything at all. All right, it's a choice. Or I can recreate this by saying generate image of a young American lady dressed in beautiful suit heading to an office to start her job for the week. Okay, so when I tell it create image, it will be more aware of the thing I want her to create. But here I say a young American lady. It also understands that it's image I need. So it is smart. Then the next step is to click on this submit message. So this has come up with the result. Okay, and once you come up with the image, you can decide to download it to your PC to use it for a project you want to use it for. Maybe you want to use the character to create a movie. So just click here, this download button, select a folder of your choice, give it a name. Okay, so here I want to have it as a young American lady. And after that, click on save. So once it gets to the downloads folder of my PC right now, you will see this. And I told you, this is conversational, all right? So you can tell this AI to Copilot to change this girl to somebody else. So I can tell it now to change her to a police officer. So I say change her to a police officer. After that, I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. So it's going to return that lady in a police uniform. So as you can see, Copilot has changed the lady to a police officer in the United States of America. So if you want to turn yourself to something you are not, you can use Microsoft Copilot AI tool and it gives you the results. So I can go ahead and then download this into my PC. So keep on prompting. The more prompts you create and execute, the better you become in use of AI prompts. If this helps, consider subscribing to learn more about information technology. Leave a comment here in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time. This video here will still help you to learn more about Copilot, so still check it out.